Do you truly understand what financial independence means? It's not just earning money or saving it in your bank account. It's about having the freedom to live life on your own terms without worrying about finance. But here is the twist. There is hidden path to financial independence that no one talks about. Small but powerful strategies that can transform your financial life forever. In this video, we are going to uncover those financial secrets and show you how to take control of your financial future. Stay with me till the end because the key to your financial freedom might just be kick away. Just I'm sharing the mind map. Path to financial independence, what they don't tell you. At first, understand what is financial independence. Most of the people think that if we have huge money, it is financial independence. No. Someone thinks like that. Financial independence means 24 into 7 holiday. 24 into 7 into 365 days holiday. No. In financial independence means you live a life with your terms and you do what you want to do. And one more thing, your household expense should not depend upon your salary or your business income. If you are not going to your job, to your workplace, but your household expense should not impact it, should not be impacted. This is financial independence. Uncover hidden insight for true financial freedom. Okay. At first, understand what is financial independence. Financial independence means living life on your terms, free from financial stress. It means you can do what you want to do. You should not force to do. Like if you are, if you do not like to go to your to your office, you would not like that job. You can leave that job. You can work on that project which you like, having enough income to cover your expense without relying on active work. Our household expense is the biggest issue for all of us. We usually think about that expense only. So, if our financial process is designed in such a way so that our household expense is going to manage by my passive income, that is actual financial independence. Myth about financial independence. There are number of myths. So in this video, I'm going to share you three myths. Myth number one, you need to be rich to be financial independent. It is a myth. If you have crore rupees, then you will become financial independent. No, this is myth. You can become financial independent at your salary. So this is the game of mindset only. Myth 2, it's only for retirees. People always think that our financial independence means retirement. No, this is not related to retirement. If you are going to financial independent, it doesn't mean that you are going to stop your work. Financial independence means you can work for your wealth creation and you can work what you like. Financial independence does not mean that you are going to become a retired person. Myth number three, a high paying job guarantees financial freedom. This is also a myth. If your salary is low, it doesn't mean that you cannot become financially independent. Okay, going to second point, third point, what they don't tell you. Yes, it start with mindset. Yeah, discipline and delayed gratification are key. Passive income is a must. Investment is greater than savings. You should understand this point. We always think about our saving, okay? And we know how to earn. We know how to save, but we fail to grow our money. And this is the biggest challenge for all of us. So we should learn to grow your money. If you learn how to grow your money and if you're able to grow your money at the rate of 25% CAGR, it means your money will be doubled in 3 years and your money will be 10x in 10 years. So you should learn and you should focus to your investment part rather than saving only. The power of small steps. Consistent small action lead to big results. Build your path to financial independence. Saving. Pay yourself first. Usually, we go for expense at first. After expense, we think about saving. This is the wrong way. At first, we should save money. If you are earning 50,000 per month, at first we should save 10% of our earning or 20% if possible for you. It means if your earning is 50,000 per month, you should save 10,000 per month. And you should open a different account and link your salaried account to that account. And you should start a automatic system. If your salary is coming on 5th of each month, then there should be some automation so that your money will be transferred from salaried account to other saving account. This is the perfect way to save first before expense. And third is diversification. Don't put, oh, sorry. Second one is investment. Let your money grow. This is crucial. And third one is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. We must think about the diversification. I suggest to everyone to invest in stock market. It doesn't mean that we should invest our whole capital to stock market. No, some part we should invest some part in government bond, some part in sovereign gold bond, some part in REIT plan, some part in physical gold. This is called diversification. Why financial literacy is non-negotiable? Understand where your money goes. This is the key of success in finance. Usually, we invest in insurance plan, we invest in ULIP plan, in endowment plan, and we think that our money will grow. This is not possible. Make informed investment decision and avoid common financial trap. Investing in ULIP plan and thinking that our money is growing. This is trap. Your path to financial independence. Set goal. Define your financial independence number. Plan at first and create a goal. If you want a beautiful house or you want a luxurious car, plan today and start investment so that after 5 years or after 7 years you will be able to buy your dream home. Create a budget, track your income and expenses. And third, invest wisely, start early, stay consistent. Remember this, financial independence is not a dream, it's a plan. So think like a plan, make plan today. Don't procrastinate it. Otherwise, it will not work. Make your plan today. What you want, whatever you want after 5 years or after 7 years, you should make a plan and start investment accordingly. Take small, consistent steps every day. If you want 1 crore, but it will not come in one day. So it's a gradual system. Small steps you need to take, then you will get whatever you want. The, the earlier you start, the easier it gets. Ready to take the first steps? Subscribe for more financial tips. Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's work together toward the financial freedom. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others who could benefit from it. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update on financial tips and stock market insight. Have question or thoughts? Drop them in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, keep learning, keep investing, and take control of your investment future. See you in the next video. Thank you so much to all of you for watching my video.